friends. I'm just getting ready again to go out. I feel like I feel like eating ice cream. So I'm going out with my grandsons. So I feel like eating a gallon of ice cream. So I'm going out with them. So they'll be going out in a few minutes. So just fun. It's raining here in Philippines, but I want to go out with them to enjoy the day. I'm done doing the household chores. So there are my few plants here. Those are the flower pots that I asked our neighbor to make for me. So I ordered about eight pieces of this flower pots. Is made of cement. I asked him to make 8 pieces of it. So there you go. 8 pieces of this orange. I was the one who painted it. Those 8 flower pots made of cement. It's 8 pieces. So there is our bonsai, our baliti bonsai. I don't know the name of the other plants. I was the one who painted these orange flower pots. It's fun doing some planting. I'm just waiting for my grandsons. They're changing. And here is rubber plants. I planted them 2 years ago. And this is my calamansi, citrus fruit, all up there to my second floor. It's raining, but we still have to go out. It's Sunday today. It's good I have listened to the Sunday Mass early this morning. So after lunch, we are going out now. We just had lunch 2 hours ago. So my grandchildren are ready. Tomorrow maybe I will be planting again. I will be replanting my ginger plants. And there is the papaya. There is my other new papaya. There. I keep watering it every day. It has many fruits. I love papaya too. That is good for digestion. That's why we always try to plant papaya. It's good for the health, especially for the senior citizens. It's a laxative food. Papaya is a laxative fruit. And there's again my ginger plants, the big one. Those are the ginger. Here at my box. Flower pot is a long box. There is the papaya. There is my grandson. He's ready to go out with me. There is Gael, my autistic grandson. He is funny. He is my joy every day. Are you ready, Gael? You have to bring these 2 umbrellas because we have to pass by the space where there is rain. Oh no, the rain is getting stronger. Are you doing, dear Gael? Are you excited to go out with Lola? Are you excited to go out? You are making funny faces again. His teeth are dark because the doctor have put chloride on his teeth. May I see your teeth? They're up there. It has chloride on it. That's why it's dark. Black color. Oh, wait for the time. They're just waiting for the time to come. Sunday today.
Pati yan.
How are you doing, Gael? Come on. Thanks for watching, guys. I'm just excited to go out this afternoon. It's Sunday and we have to buy more stuff for my grandchildren. They need more food to eat, to bring to school. We need to buy more of this. Pediasure for my grandson. Because he will soon have his surgery, my other grandson, so we had to buy more nutritious food for him. He will have bone graft surgery by April, so we are trying to give him more healthy food to improve his immune before he will have his bone graft surgery on his tooth. They will get bone from his hip and put inside his gum. That is the processing of his surgery because he has hair lip. So